you know the signs of high blood sugar? Or do you just shrug off that constant thirst and frequent bathroom trips as just a part of life? Well, my friend, it's time we had a chat about the silent saboteur that is high blood sugar. It's a sly fox that can creep up on you, leaving a trail of havoc in its wake. High blood sugar is not just about an insatiable sweet tooth, it's a serious condition that can lead to a long-term house guest nobody wants. Diabetes. Recognizing the signs of high blood sugar is your first line of defense, your watchtower in the battlefield of health. It's about understanding your body's whispers before they turn into screams. It's about taking control, being proactive, and ensuring that your health is your priority. So let's dive in and discover the 10 alarming signs of high blood sugar. First on our list, constant thirst. Does your thirst never seem to be quenched? This could be a sign of high blood sugar. Now let's delve into why this happens. When your blood sugar is high, your kidneys can't keep up with the sugar overload and they make more urine to get rid of it. This causes a domino effect. As you pee more, you get thirstier, and then you drink more, and then you pee more. It's a vicious cycle that can indicate your blood sugar is too high. On to our second sign, frequent urination. This is directly related to that unquenchable thirst we just discussed. When your body tries to get rid of the excess sugar by making more urine, you end up making more trips to the bathroom. If you find yourself waking up multiple times in the night to urinate, it's worth considering if high blood sugar could be the culprit. Lastly, let's talk about unexplained weight loss. You might think, hey, weight loss is a good thing, right? Not when it's unexplained and you're not trying to lose it. High blood sugar can cause weight loss as your body is unable to properly process sugar from the food you eat. Instead of powering your cells, the sugar is excreted in your urine, taking calories along with it. If you're experiencing these signs, don't ignore them. But let's move on to some more signs you should be aware of. Moving on to our fourth sign, fatigue. Are you feeling tired all the time despite getting enough sleep? This isn't just about your regular Monday morning blues or post-lunch slump. We're talking about a constant state of weariness that doesn't seem to lift, even after a good night's sleep. This happens because high blood sugar prevents your cells from getting the energy they need. The sugar remains in your bloodstream and your cells starve, leaving you feeling perpetually exhausted. Now, let's consider our fifth sign, blurred vision. Not just a blurry day, but a consistent fuzziness that doesn't clear up. When your blood sugar levels rise, they can cause the lens in your eyes to swell, distorting your vision. It's like looking at the world through a smeared glass pane, and it's not a view you want to get accustomed to. Lastly, we have slow healing sores as our sixth sign. If you notice that cuts and bruises are taking longer than usual to heal, this could be a red flag. High blood sugar can affect your blood flow, making it difficult for blood and hence vital nutrients to reach your wounds. As a result, your body's natural healing process slows down. These signs are not to be taken lightly. But wait, we have more to cover. Next up, sign 7, constant hunger. Are you always hungry, even after eating a meal? A persistent appetite, especially when it's paired with other signs, might be your body's way of telling you that your blood sugar is high. This happens because your body isn't efficiently converting the food you eat into energy. Instead, the sugar from your food is staying in your bloodstream, which explains why you're still hungry. Moving on to sign 8, numbness or tingling in your hands or feet. This is a symptom of nerve damage, which can be caused by prolonged exposure to high blood sugar levels. Your nerves are like electric wires, and sugar in your blood can cause these wires to short-circuit, leading to these sensations. Sign 9 is frequent infections. High blood sugar weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. When your white blood cells, the soldiers of your body, are busy fighting off the sugar invasion, they have less capacity to fend off other invaders like bacteria and viruses. And finally, sign 10, areas of darkened skin. These are typically found in the folds and creases of your body and are a sign of insulin resistance, which is often a precursor to type 2 diabetes. These are the last of our signs, but the conversation doesn't stop here. So there you have it, the 10 alarming signs of high blood sugar. Let's take a quick rewind, shall we? First off, we've got excessive thirst and frequent urination. Often your body's first cry for help. Then we have unexplained weight loss and constant hunger, the body's way of saying it's not getting enough energy. Next, there's fatigue and blurred vision, clear indications that your body is struggling to function optimally. We also discussed the not-so-obvious signs like slow healing wounds and frequent infections, showing that your immune system is taking a hit. Lastly, we touched on numbness or tingling in hands or feet and areas of darkened skin, which are often overlooked but equally important signs of high blood sugar. Now, why is it crucial to recognize these signs early? Simply put, early detection can prevent complications and even reverse the condition. High blood sugar, when left unchecked, can lead to more serious health issues like diabetes, heart disease, and even stroke. And here's the kicker: regular checkups. Yes, they can be a bit of a hassle, but they're your best bet for monitoring blood sugar levels. Don't wait for the signs to show up. Be one step ahead. If you recognize any of these signs, don't hesitate. Get your blood sugar levels checked. Remember, it's not about being paranoid, it's about being proactive about your health.